Hello, in our lesson today we're going to do fraction of a set. So we're going to use bar models to find fractional parts of a number. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. Let's look at this picture. We have some cups here. If I count them all up, I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cups. I have 16 cups there. But I'm looking for groups. I'm going to talk about fractional parts of a set or groups. So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. So there are 4 groups below. So if we have 16 cups in the set and I divide them into 4 equal groups, now I can see, well, 12 of the 16 cups are blue. How many groups are blue? 3 of them. How many groups were there all together? 4 groups. So I can tell that 3/4 of the cups are blue. If I know that I have 16 cups total, I can find out what 3/4 of 16 is. Well, again, first thing I have to do is make 4 equal groups, which I have. I'm going to take 3 of those groups. Now, if I count that up, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3/4 of 16 equals 12. Let's look at that as a bar model. So what I do is I make my rectangle, I make my bar. I know the whole thing is 16 because I had 16 cups, so that's why they put the 16 there. Now, it says the shaded parts make up 3/4 of the set. So I know that I'm trying to break it into 4 groups. So I'm going to make my 4 groups here as best as I can. And I want to color 3 of them. So 3 of the 4 groups are blue. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 of the 4 groups are blue. What I'm trying to figure out is how many of the cups are blue. Well, if this was my fraction, I'm trying to find 3/4 of 16. I know that I had 16 total cups, which is my total right up here. I'm breaking it into 4 groups. So 16 divided into 4 groups, that means each of these groups must have 4 cups in them. If I take 3 groups of them, here's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 plus 4 plus 4, that equals 12, which is just what I did right back here with pictures. Now I'm just doing it with bar graphs. Let's try this problem, 5/6 of 12. So I know in my whole group, here's my big group I've got right here, I know I've got 12 of whatever it is. So in my whole group I have 12. I want to find out what 5/6 of this group is. So I know that I need to break this into 6 groups. So let's do 3 on this side, 3 on this side. There's my 6 groups, which is what they've done right here. Now, I want to take 5 of those 6 groups. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5 groups. I'm trying to figure out how many of those, how many blocks I have altogether. Well, if I had 12 blocks total, I broke it into 6. 12 divided by 6, that means each of these groups contain 2 blocks. Now, if I grab all 5 of them, I grab these right here, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 blocks. So 5/6 of 12 is 10. Let's try this one, 2/3 of 9. So I'm going to make my block. I know that all together I have 9. 2/3. So I know that I need to divide this number 9 into 3 groups. So there's my 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that means each of these groups have 3 in them. 3 groups of 3 is the same as 9. Now I need to take 2 of those groups. So I have 3 plus 3, so 2/3 of 9 is 6. Let's try one more. 3/5 of 30. Draw my bar. I know that I have 30 all together. I'm taking 3/5 of it, so I need to break this into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3. So 30 divided into 5 groups means that each of these groups has 6. If I want to take 3 of them, 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. There you go. That's your homework for tonight. Your homework looks like this. If this part is confusing, you can cross this off. So you're trying to find 4/5 of 30, 5/6 of 48, and 5/12 of 60.